can there be a shortcut that automatically runs when I wake my Mac from sleep? So really, I don't have to do anything but just wake my Mac.
There is no way that I know of using stuff built into the Mac to trigger a shortcut on System Wake. But where my brain originally churned towards was, of course, Keyboard Maestro. Keyboard Maestro does have a wake trigger. And with that wake trigger, you can launch an app. And so you set Desktop Icon Manager to automatically restore icon positions at start, and then you check the other box that says, and then quit, so that when your Mac wakes up, the app isn't running. You tell it, please go do this by waking up and having Keyboard Maestro launch the app. The app launches, does its job, and then quits. And you're good to go. It does require you to buy Keyboard Maestro, but I've long said that I think I used to say that Keyboard Maestro is the future of automation on the Mac. I believe that was true back then, and now I believe it's the present of automation on the Mac. That's what I have. Adam, do you have any thoughts about like a wake trigger device that might be built into the Mac that I'm not thinking of?
Not one that's built in, but I quickly did some Googling, and I'm trying to see if this would do it. It looks like there is a lightweight daemon called Advanced SleepWatcher that listens for sleep, wake, and idle events and can run custom scripts at each stage. I mean, you have to install it with like Homebrew or something like that. But yeah,
interesting.
So, I don't know if you found the link already. But
I did. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's called SleepWatcher and then Advanced SleepWatcher. It can trigger any script or command on sleep, wake, or even idle. So there you go. That would be yet another way to do it. Yep.
Yep. I mean, you're going to have to do a little programming, but
it's a little nerdy. Right. Yeah, for sure. Yup.